Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to find your user ID on Bybit quickly and easily. Your UID or user ID is important for account verification, customer support, and promotional activities on Bybit, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Bybit, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your profile section, you will see your user ID popping up at the top, right underneath your username. Tap on it to copy your user ID in your device's clipboard. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Bybit user ID on your mobile device. Super simple. Now you can go ahead and paste in the user ID anywhere needed, especially when you need it for support or promotions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.